Welcome! In this video, I'll show how to enable the animated spoiler effect in Telegram using the latest updated settings. If you enjoy adding a bit of mystery and style to your messages, this feature is definitely worth turning on. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This will open up Telegram's main menu where you can access all settings and options. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Chat Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls how your chats look and behave. Now scroll down again until you see Animations. Tap on that option to open the animation settings. Inside the Animations menu, look for Effects and Chats under the Power Saving options. Tap on it to continue. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option called Animated Spoiler Effect. Simply check or enable this option, and that's it. You've successfully turned on the Animated Spoiler Effect in Telegram. Now, whenever you send a spoiler message, it will appear with a smooth animated effect, making your chats more interactive and visually appealing. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore more Telegram features to get the most out of your messaging experience.